Picture this, a peaceful village called Palampur, where fields stretch far and wide. But wait, beyond the crops and tractors, there's more going on. Ever met a milk seller who doesn't own farmland? Or a shopkeeper earning a steady income without ever sowing a seed? Welcome to the world of non-farm activities, the lesser-known but vital heartbeat of rural India. Let's step into Palampur and uncover what makes its economy more than just farming. In simple terms, non-farm activities are all the jobs and businesses that don't involve growing crops. In Palampur, 1 in every 4 working people is part of this sector, that's 25%. From selling milk to driving goods, from running a shop to teaching computers, these activities don't need farmland, but they do need skill, capital, and opportunity. Think of them as the hidden champions of the village economy. Let's begin with something familiar, dairy. Many families in Palampur rear buffaloes and sell milk daily. Where does it go? To Raiganj, the nearby big village, where traders collect and chill it before sending it off to towns and cities. Buffaloes are fed with local crops like jowar and bajra, and voila, milk becomes a steady source of income. No farmland needed. Just care, patience, and smart use of local resources. Now, meet Mishrilal, the entrepreneur of Palampur. He owns a sugarcane crushing machine and turns sugarcane into Jaggery, that sweet, golden delight. Here's the math. He buys 100 quintals of sugarcane at 200 rupee per quintal, that's 20,000 rupees. After making Jaggery and selling it for 30,000 rupees and deducting 5,000 rupees in expenses, his net profit is 5,000 rupees. That's the power of a small idea, a simple machine, and some business acumen. Shops, too, are a big part of Palampur's non-farm scene. Some villagers run general stores selling everything from tea and oil to soap and notebooks. These shopkeepers travel to city markets, buy in bulk, and sell in the village at a profit, of course. Let's say they spend 10,000 rupees on goods and earn 12,500 rupees, a profit of 2,500 rupees. A smart way to earn without any dependence on rainfall or seasons. Now let's ride along with Kishora, a farm laborer who changed his story. Thanks to a government loan, he bought a buffalo and a wooden cart. Today, he sells milk and also carries goods like clay and jaggery from one village to another. Better roads helped him reach more places and earn more money. That's what transport can do. It connects people, goods, and livelihoods. But here's the reality check. Not everyone can jump into non-farm work. Why? Because setting up even a small business needs initial capital, money to get started. Plus, jobs in these sectors are few and often need skills many villagers don't yet have. No surprise, then, that only 24 out of every 100 rural workers in India are in non-farm activities. There's potential, but also real challenges. So what's the way forward? To grow non-farm work, we need to make loans affordable, improve roads and connectivity, and offer skill training in villages. In Palampur, these small steps, like a cart, a shop, or a jug of milk, show us how non-farm activities can shape rural prosperity. They offer a future that's sustainable, inclusive, and full of opportunity.